Fanttik is a jump starter, model T8. It's got 1300 amp peak current, 5.0 L diesel, 7.0 L gasoline, 12 volts. Motorcycles, cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, probably utility vehicles as well. What you get inside, you're going to get the charger, you're going to get a user's guide, quick guide, the cables, and so forth. Let's open this bad boy up and go start our car because it needs a boost. Please don't discard the box because this box is where you're going to store everything. Now, you get the Fanttik charging T8 unit, and this is what the unit looks like. It's got 4 LEDs on each side. It's got the cable area that you plug this bad boy into. And these are the cables, and they've got a plug that keeps it IP rated. Now, there is a square and a circle one, and what you're going to do the best is to line this up correctly. Plug in, always facing to the top of the unit. It's what it looks like, nice and solid. It has a on and off and a triangle switch. When you press this on, we're going to look for a light, and we're looking all over. There is a light switch on here, so it's 1000, 1000. We're at 25%, 26%. Over here we have the light switch. It's a long press. Will the lights come on? You have, again, another press. It gives a SOS. And another press gives a flicker, and another press in the off position. If we shut the unit off by a long press, can we turn the lights on by a long press? That is the question. No. There is a triangle that's going to give you 12,000 milliamps right off the bat. And we're going to press it. Press the button, the triangle. T8 Jumpstart, 1300 amps to 12,000 milliamps. That should be the button to get you started. So we have here on this particular side USB-A, USB-C, and you get the USB-C cable to USB-C cable that plugs in over here. I do apologize for the dark background. Don't read this the wrong way of 92%. It is at 26%. You have a power supply that plugs into the USB-C, and this is where you're going to charge up the unit. It does dim down and eventually it will shut off. So let's plug this bad boy in to get some juice. It's a solid light. Do apologize if the camera causes any flickering. There is an in button. It lights up a nice blue whitish color. Nice and clear to see, and we are charging. We're going to read the quick start guide. Quick start, how to use. Put it on the battery. Hit start of the unit, hit the start of your car. How to use the override button, very important. TB designed to jump 12 volts, lead acid battery. If your battery is too low, the T8 will be no start display. You can press the override button for 3 seconds to activate override mode. Disabling safety protection and manually force override mode only for use when the battery voltage is too low to be detected. And that'll be this button. For me, I won't be pressing that button if my battery is within limits. So if I had a battery that is overly drained down, that will give me that override start. Protection override, display screen, and so forth. That'd be over here. 100% 12 volts. Number 8 is going to be low temperature alert. Number 8 is going to be high temperature alert. Number 9 looks like a snowflake, low temperature alert. You have start, out, in, low, and error. We're at our car. I have a kill switch on my car. Sometimes the kill switch doesn't shut off, and here we are. Want to make sure our car will start. So all we need to do is put these terminals on here, nice and tight, positive to positive, negative to negative. And on the unit, we're going to hit the on and off switch. It did flash for a second, so let's make sure we hold it down. 28%, 11 volts, start. PD 30 watt, start, 28%, 11 volts. I can start my car remotely with the power supply hooked up. Here we go. It took about 1% away. It started up. We're completed. So we're going to take our unit off. We're going to shut the unit down. And congratulations, we started our car. When all done, you're simply going to just put everything away. Now, the Fanttik is awesome. It has an override if your battery's way too low, and especially in a cold climate, 0 degrees. This unit will power your vehicle up. Not every single time, most of the time. If this is sitting in your car way too long, you're going to have to recharge this every 3 months. And the unit should not fail you at all. Please keep these things out of the extreme cold because they may not run as well like your car outside. These are great to give to somebody for their vehicle to keep them safe on the roads. You have a light, like I said, it gives you a safety feature out there to say, hey, I'm working on my car, this and that. You could power up other things as well, something that takes a USB-A, like your smartphone, your camera, a radio, you name it. If you wanted to hook some other 12 volts up, there is no other items here for that, like a socket. This is strictly for your car, for emergencies, and I hope you enjoy your product when you get yours. I'm Fish, your how-to guy, and thank you very much for viewing.